What's up, my loves? It's your girl Brannygiz, and I am in the middle of doing my makeup. I just did my brows, and I said, why not film the rest of it? So I'm using this Norvina palette. You probably seen me do this look, but I figured I would just show you guys my get ready with me. I'm taking like a brown, and I'm not gonna even show you guys. I just let you guys know that the color Incense and Love. Incense is like a brown. I'm just putting it right here in a crease, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the pink in it as well. I'm just throwing colors together real quick. I'm about to go to like a surprise birthday party, and I figured I'd do a quick like eye look. So I just showered, and now I'm just gonna throw a quick eye look on. I don't think that the place is too far from the house where I stay. I want to be on time. Sorry for the television in the background. Maybe I can turn that down. Hold on one second. Okay. Alright, so I turned the TV down so it won't be a distraction. Now I'm going to go in with Wild Child. I had just put some NYX. It's like a glitter glue, just to make the eyeshadow kind of like adhere to my lid. And I'm just going really fast because I'm trying to get out of here within the next 10 minutes if I can. So how have you guys been? I know you guys can't answer, but I just wanted to show you guys this get ready with me look that I'm doing. It's real simple and easy. Alright, so I am reaching for a random brush. I'll just use this little Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to dip it in this burgundy shade called Passion. Go on the outer V with this and bring it in. I have to work in the morning, so I'm not even trying to get too jazzed up. Yeah, I look pretty okay, pretty decent once you put your little lashes on. Yeah, okay. Blend that out a little bit. Looks pretty decent. I'm just going to use that same brush and put it on top as my brow. Boom. Highlight. Blend it out with my fingers so it won't look too harsh. Okay, that is enough of that. I'm going to, I already used this Can't Stop, Won't Stop primer. I'm going to put this HourGlass on my face really quick. And use this NYX brush. Spray that bad boy. And I don't use too much. I don't need too much because I don't want it all over my clothes. But I don't need too much of this. And I don't put it around my eye area. Sometimes I do, but right now I'm going to focus just on like from here on down. Especially like around my mouth area. So the reason why I don't really care to put foundation underneath, which I should, but I'm gonna go under it with concealer, and that should be enough. I don't want it to look too, you know, done up. So I take these Maybelline concealers and where is, I usually let this sit, but I don't have time. And I'm just gonna find my blender. This is something that I do. And you know what's crazy is I knew I had to go, and I had enough time to get ready and not rush. But I was sitting down watching Black Ink, and then I decided to watch Greenleaf, and before I knew it, it was time to get ready. It's crazy. I'm always rushing. Surprise birthday party. I wasn't able to film me at the house, so I just decided to show y'all my look of the day. I wore this black FashionNova dress. I'll tell y'all a little bit more about it. I'm at the table now. I'll see y'all in a minute. So let's look on the camera.
Catfish like this.